Have you ever wondered how computers and artificial intelligence models make sense of complex data? What if we told you it all starts with something called feature extraction? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve into this fascinating world. Feature extraction forms the backbone of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It's the process of reducing the amount of resources required to describe a large set of data. Simply put, we're teaching machines how to focus on the important stuff. So, how does this process work? First, we have to understand what a feature is. A feature is an individual measurable property or characteristic of a phenomenon being observed. It could be anything from the color of a wine, the height of a person, to the price of a stock. The first step in feature extraction is feature selection. This involves choosing the most relevant data from the dataset for the task at hand. For example, if the task is to predict the price of a house, we might select features such as the number of rooms, the area of the house, and the location. Next comes the step of feature engineering. This is the process of creating new features from existing ones. For instance, from the area of the house and the number of rooms, we could engineer a new feature, the average room size. The final step is feature transformation. Here, the selected features are transformed into a format that makes them easier to work with. This could involve standardizing or normalizing the data so that all features are on a similar scale. These three steps, feature selection, feature engineering, and feature transformation, form the crux of feature extraction. But why is this process so important? Well, good feature extraction can lead to more accurate predictions and insights from the data. It can help us separate the signal from the noise, making our models more efficient and effective. To summarize, feature extraction is a crucial step in machine learning and data analysis. It involves selecting the most relevant features, engineering new ones, and transforming them into a suitable format. It's like giving a computer a pair of glasses, helping it focus on what's important and ignore the rest. Remember, the success of a machine learning model often lies not in its complexity, but in the quality of its features. So the next time you're working on a data project, don't forget to give feature extraction the attention it deserves. Who knows, it might just be the secret ingredient to your model's success.